Protecting children from harm is the focus of the Centre for Child Protection. This project specifically looked at supporting children who have experience of child sexual exploitation by working with Kent Police and improving the interactions that police have with children so that it's a more compassionate and considered interaction.
Victim engagement has been identified as a key challenge in the investigation and prosecution of child sexual exploitation crimes, particularly girls. This project aims to promote victim engagement so we can increase criminal justice outcomes for those young victims.
ESRC's partner with police, ending violence against women and girls funding opportunity, has allowed the Centre for Child Protection and Kent Police to develop a meaningful partnership and collaboration, bringing together all of our expertise and knowledge on child sexual exploitation, and we found they shared our passion too.
At the Centre for Child Protection, we bring immersive educative simulation tools or serious digital games which can help anybody who is working in child protection arena to understand complex child protection issues, and that's exactly what Robin and Molly tends to do. We invited officers to come to our campuses at Canterbury and Medway, and then we organized knowledge exchange workshops where we could share our learning and our understanding about child sexual exploitation. Those workshops have been really crucial in bringing that academic knowledge and tacit knowledge together to agree on learning outcomes for creating a training program, how the storylines should be, how the design and delivery of the whole project should be, and where the gaps are and what might be the challenges in conducting these investigations more effectively and in taking these cases forward to court. We were able to speak to a real victim of CSE who was really happy to provide her victim voice to make sure that the story we were telling through Robin and Molly was as close to a real life scenario as an officer might face. That meant that during the training, what the officers are actually experiencing in that training environment is real, and that the impact on the victim is real. Being able to build in that voice of the victim just lends real credibility to the training itself.
Officers have reported increased knowledge and confidence in being able to engage with and support children who have experience of child sexual exploitation after our training. Another promising finding of our collaboration is that we found a 133% increase in the recording simply of the word trauma in children's case assessments, meaning that officers are considering trauma more robustly now than before the training. We're looking forward to working with them to deliver this simulation more broadly and nationally.
It's pushed forward the culture in policing as well, to be able to have those open conversations and recognise that trauma impacts on our own biases as well. The better we understand ourselves, the better we can serve the public. It's evidence-based, it's focusing on victims, and it is changing police culture for the better.